Governor Gretchen Whitmer and state lawmakers celebrated when they passed auto insurance no-fault reform. They said it will save you money when it goes into effect next year.
Now, 2 crash victims are filing a lawsuit saying it isn't just going to cost them money, it violates their constitutional rights. 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell has more.
I'm standing with Phil Kruger. More than 20 years ago, he was in a car accident that changed his body forever. His mind is still sharp, and he wants to fight to make sure that people who fear their lives will be hurt by the recent change to Michigan's auto no-fault law are protected. So he's filed suit. Phil Kruger's injury took away his ability to speak clearly.
G. Okay, that one I'm struggling with. O.
He needs help living. He gets that help here at the Eisenhower Center in Ann Arbor, a residential facility that takes care of car accident victims. Meantime, lawmakers have reformed Michigan's auto insurance laws, promising to cut the cost of insurance. They're allowing people to opt out of buying catastrophic coverage. Plus, starting next year, places like the Eisenhower Center will have to lower their fees to insurance companies to 55% of current fees. The CEO of the center, John Kornack, is worried.
For us, it decimates us. We don't have a 45% profit margin.
So the Eisenhower Center and 2 patients who rely on auto no-fault coverage have filed this lawsuit against Citizens Insurance Company of America and USAA Casualty Insurance Company. One of the patients from Lansing is suing, saying she should not be forced to pay a stranger to provide her care. She says it's discrimination against her loved one for the new law to restrict care provided by relatives. Phil says his right and the rights of other patients, such as Narissa Lawson, to choose their place of care as their insurance promised is being violated because the law the insurance companies called for could put his place of care, the Eisenhower Center, out of business.
It doesn't feel good to know that we could be put out and have nowhere to go.
They're the lost souls. And you know what? It's worth fighting for.
The CEO of the Eisenhower Center says if this law goes through as passed, he's not sure how long this place will be able to stay open, but that it will not be sustainable. And for people like Phil, that leaves the future quite scary. In Ann Arbor, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
All right, thanks, Kim. 7 Action News reached out to both of the insurance companies named in the suit for comment, but as of yet, they have not sent any response.